Guys, I wanted to shoot you this quick video. I'm absolutely, I can't tell you, I just love everything to do with cryptocurrencies and smart contracts. Now, something's come across my desk literally today. I've quickly joined because I'm just blown away with it, but it's totally passive income. Of course, you can earn more if you do like I do, and that is recruit. That's why I'm making this video. But if you're not a recruiter and you want to earn passive income, okay, on smart contracts, so that means it's totally decentralized. There's no owners, there's no admins. You don't have to put in this withdrawal request or anything like that. If you want total 100% passive income, then leave me a comment below this video, because I haven't even had time to do a video on how it all works, but I've been reading about it all this morning. I'm absolutely blown away. I've been on calls with you know, other guys that are in this same system, and the guy that introduced it to me, I just can't tell you how exciting it will be for you. If you've never done, if you can't recruit, okay, it's total 100% passive income. So make sure, if you want to get access to it, that you let me have a comment below. Passive income, no referring. You don't have to recruit a single person. Not one person do you need to recruit to earn a passive income. Smart contract. I know I'm just banging on about this, but I'm really excited. So make sure, if you're interested in getting a passive income that's connected with smart contracts, this is not Forsage, okay? It's not Forsage. It's not Lionshare, okay? It's none of those. It's completely new. You'll be right in at the beginning. Passive income. You don't have to refer a single person. So I just want to press home again. It's not Lionshare, okay? It's not Forsage. You're going to love this. Leave me a comment if you want to know more about it. I'm going to blow your socks off with this. I'm going to make a video hopefully later today, stroke tomorrow, on how it all works. But it's totally 100% passive income. I'm so excited about it. Smart contract, not Forsage, not Lionshare. Leave me a comment if you want to know and be in early. I'll speak to you soon, and you have a fantastic afternoon. I'm just out with the family. We're just going for a walk along the River Thames because we live here. This is where we live. So we just go out for our afternoon walk. 100% passive income, 100% decentralized smart contract. Say again, it's not Forsage and it's not Lionshare. Hit me up if you want to know more. Have a fantastic afternoon, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.